Hey y'all, what's up? So today I am doing a video on the Aunt Jackie's Grapeseed collection, and the first thing that you see me going in with is the Thirst Quenching Recovering Conditioner. And y'all, this stuff was so moisturizing and it made detangling so easy for me. So basically what I'm doing right now is just detangling my entire head with this conditioner. And I will say, I just got this new detangling brush and it almost made me want to throw away my Demon brush, but we'll talk about that in another video. So basically the Thirst Quenching Recovering Conditioner, it applied so much moisture, it just melted into my strands perfectly. I did not film, sectioning my hair and detangling each section because I feel like you guys, you know how to do that and you do what works for you. So I'm just going in with the conditioner again to just apply it all over, just to make sure that it's distributed. And I'm just going to go in with that same brush and just brush it down so that each strand is coated. Okay, now I'm going in with the Intense Moisture Clarifying Shampoo, and it did exactly what it said it would. It clarified and it moisturized. I went in with this shampoo on top of my conditioner because I just wanted to, mix it up a little bit. I did let the conditioner sit within my twist as I went around, but I did not, put a cap on it or anything like that. Okay, so listen closely because I'm about to end this voiceover because I don't like talking like that. But the style that we are achieving today with this Grapeseed collection is a low puff pony. I am going in first with the Glossy Curly Jelly. It did make my hair super glossy. It was very moisturizing. I mean, like, it wasn't dry at all. It actually didn't even make my hair dry the next day. And when I say dry, I mean brittle. So after the Glossy Curly Jelly, I'm going to go in with the Setting Mousse. The Setting Mousse, which you will see further on into this clip, that was probably my most favorite product in this line. It was super, like, how some mousses are very runny and watery and it just, it doesn't do anything. No, this did a whole bunch, sis. It did a whole bunch, and I believe that this style would have come out different if I had not used it. So yes, I'm going in with the Glossy Curly Jelly first and then the Setting Mousse, and as you can see, I go in sections. The key to achieving any ponytail, puffball, if you're in a natural state or whatever, is to just make sure that your hair is smooth, is moisturized, and you're using the perfect products to achieve your goal, because you do not want a lumpy ponytail or anything like that, which is why you also I use two brushes. I use a soft bristle brush and a hard bristle brush. The soft one, of course, is to just make sure that my ponytail is smooth and it's not separated, and my hard bristle brush is to just make sure that it's not lumpy. The next important part is what you see right here, is make sure that your hair is detangled. You do not want knots, you do not want tangles or anything like that. Just make sure that it's smooth. I promise you, your products matter, and most importantly, how you detangle your hair definitely matters. Okay sis, let's get to these edges because that is definitely important, and Aunt Jackie's, they got you, baby. Okay, so I'm going in with the flexible styling glue. I will say that this had a very good hold. You might need to reapply it, you know, like at the end of day 2, but most likely, you know, you'll have to reapply it. And it did leave a residue, but one way to clean up anything like that is to just use oil. So if your edge control leaves residue, just clean it up with some oil.